Hey, what's up YouTube? So I saw this ChatGPT agents video and it's got to be one of the most ridiculous things I've seen in 15 plus years in this industry, and I just wanted to make this video to show you some of my thoughts and explain how I got there. So they're basically sending this agentic ChatGPT virtual machine that has its own text browser and stuff to go to this wedding website, find an outfit, propose 5 options, find me hotels with a couple of days of buffer on either end, use booking.com for these, and make sure to check availability, and then don't forget to pick a gift. And throughout this entire video, it takes this ChatGPT agent virtual browser / computer just ages to go through everything.
The
you can see it
agent's
in action
computers.
right there. Anyways, so the entire point of this video I'm trying to make is watch what happens if a human does this. Okay, so let me go to the prompts. Right here. Okay, so booking.com, or actually no, so the wedding website I copied right here. So let's say I go to the wedding website, I look down September 21st, 2025. Okay, so it wants me to find hotels on booking.com with a couple days of buffer on either end. Okay, so I go to booking.com, I type in Maui, and then for the date ranges, I chose the 18th through the 23rd, and I search. And I have all the options here that I can choose from and check out. So that's already done. And don't forget to pick a gift for them, ideally under $500. Now my personal issue I have with this is I don't really think that you should use AI to choose gifts for other people. I'm more of a traditional guy. I think it's more of like a personal thing. You choose a gift for another human being because you kind of know that human being and you kind of know what they like, but that's just my personal thing. But I don't understand why they're choosing AI for a gift. But anyway, so the next point is at 10:35. Let me show you. Okay, so right here,
find us pair of men's dress black shoes in size
9.5?
9.5.
in size 9.5. So for here, this is the solution. Right there. It's a drop-down list, 9.5, pair of men's dress shoes. So, I mean, this is just one Google search away, and then one drop-down away selection. One drop-down selection away. But instead, they're going to feed this to some virtual machine on the ChatGPT agent thing.
Capabilities of the model is being able to.
And look at this.
Going here.
Look how slow this is.
Account said, okay, cool.
And the last point of this video is they don't even use any of this to actually book out and submit a payment through ChatGPT's API. So you still, even if you were to do this, you still have to go here and check out. It doesn't do this internally on the back end unless they have some type of partnership with booking.com and all these websites that use ChatGPT's API payment gateway with your credit card to check out, because you still have to go here and order your stuff. Oh yeah, and then I forgot about the what was it, the prompt. Don't forget to pick a gift. Okay, so on the registry, you have to still check out here as well on their online shopping cart. So this thing does nothing for you. It's a nice report. All your reports are visually on the websites that you go and look at when you check out. So the whole thing just doesn't make sense. Anyway, that's my take on it, and I'll link the video below. I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen it, but I just wanted to share my thoughts on it because I think it does not make sense at all to me. So anyway, I thought I'd share. Thanks for watching. You guys have a good day.